What's up, everyone? I'm Drew, and today is Sounds of University Part 2. Hey, is Bob really on the witness protection program?
Stop it.
Why you got me over here not working?
We're gonna go fishing out here.
What's up? What's up? Hey, come on down to the queue.
Bobby, we can hear your thoughts.
Trying to think of what I'm thinking about. I want some sweet tea. That's what I want. Oh no, I don't do this. What are you doing to me, man?
Got a good nodes of pineapple.
What kind of drink is it?
Pineapple.
Hi.
Stop it. Oh my gosh, how long are you gonna be here?
I'm gonna learn how to do happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Please, go away so I can concentrate.
All right, those were just some random sounds around university today. You hear that? Sounds like we're the best place in Waco to buy a car.